Hi guys, welcome back. So this spread was inspired by this pretty little pamphlet for children's tours in the Vienna Art History Museum, and I wanted to use some images from the cover. And as you see, this pamphlet is really full of very cute images, and I'm just flipping through it so you can see all the cuteness. I like that one a lot. So going back to the cover, I wanted to use this wonderful peacock right there. I wasn't sure yet what I was going to do with the rest of the page. I just kind of knew I wanted to do some doodling as part of the background, and that's as far as my thought process has gone at this time. So I'm fussy cutting this peacock, which was kind of a pain to do because of all the feathers, but I guess it's worth it in the end. And then I decided to also cut out the other one that was underneath him, just because he looked so lonely on that page. And so I decided to cut him out, which was also a pain because of his tiny little delicate feet and neck. I'm just glad I didn't cut off his neck. So then I start doodling this background. So I'm just doing some flower petals all around, and then I'm going to do those in ink, or with a black ink pen. And in the petals, you'll see all I do is some line work, and that's it for the background. I wish I could work this fast in real time. That would be amazing. Okay, now I'm just erasing the pencil marks, and then I am gonna try to place the two birds, see how I want to put them. And then I decided to use some blue koi watercolors to just use as a background, and I'm just using my wide water brush. And this is not the best paper for watercolors, but it will do for this little spread. So the paper really absorbs the liquid very quickly, but yeah, it's okay. So then I just quickly dry that with my heat gun. And this is a very simple spread. So now I'm just putting the little peacocks on, and I'm going to glue those down. And then I kind of had the feeling that the top is still too empty. So I looked for another image that I could add, and I decided to add this prehistoric looking bird kind of creature. And again, he has very delicate legs, and I can't believe I didn't cut them off. Usually I'm pretty clumsy with cutting out like that. Yep, so I just tried to decide where I want him to go, and I decided to stick him up there in the right hand corner. And I wanted to leave this spread fairly empty. And here I just decide to add a little bit of gray shadows so that these birds don't look like they're just pasted onto the background, but so that they're more integrated into the page. And also it gives them a little bit more dimension. So then I take my trusty Recollections clickable alphabet stamps, and I just stamp the date. Just take out the letters SEP for September. My StazOn ink, which is my favorite ink pad. Actually, it came in one of the boxes, the subscription boxes for the little stamp store. And then I just bought these birthday stamps from a local bookshop, and I don't know this brand, but I have 4 sets of this brand actually, and this is, I didn't get it because of the birthday, but because I really like the numbers, and I never seem to have the right numbers, so I just decided to try this one. And I decided to put down a poem which is called Creativity and Beautiful Living, and it's from someone called Erling Tu, Thu. So that's it for this spread. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Holding your breath, trying to ready yourself for whatever